welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my setup for Samhain and how I did both my divination altar and just a separate altar for the gods. So here it is. It's kind of simple. I didn't want to go too extravagant because the last time I did extravagant was for Mabon and it got kind of messy. So here's what it is. So starting with the God's altar, I have the goddess over here and the god over here. And I have some offering of incense for them. And I have a black candle for the Sabbath. And then I have this cute little lantern that goes on this. So this is all going to be lit up for the gods. And then coming over here, I have my divination table with my selenite tower, my selenite giant crystal, and a whole bunch of other little crystals surrounding it. I also have a skull candle and then my scrying mirror. And this is my official main Samhain altar. I have my incense offering bowl there, my chalice, this candelabra, my black cat candle, my spine candle, little witch hat, my huge crystal ball. Then I have the skull. And then these three cards over here are for my ancestors. I have my grandma, my grandpa, and then my godfather. Then I have this giant black protecting spell candle. Cute little candles that you usually see on my altar a lot. I have my witch, my black witch candle, my beware candle, my little ghost, and then this little bat hanging candle. And then as an offering, I'm offering up this apple scented candle. I also have my new wand and my athame on this altar. So this altar is going to be lit up for Samhain on Halloween. And this is what my setup looks like for the holiday. I have my bells right there. And I also have my drum for when I go into my trance, when I do my pray to my ancestors. I hope you like this short video. Please like and subscribe down below. I also have an Etsy store with my sister called Naturally Harvested. I will put that in the link below and hope to see you again. Bye.